Welcome to another video. Let us see how we can remove the blank rows. Manually removing the blank row one by one will take a lot of time. Instead, we will select the entire data and then press F5. Follow the screen carefully. Click on Special. Then select Blanks. And then press OK. All your blank rows get selected. Then press Ctrl- and remove the rows. All the blank rows will be removed in one shot. But be careful, the rows that are containing data should not contain any blank cells, otherwise that blank cell will also get removed and the entire data will get disrupted. Let's see another Excel hack. Suppose you need to fill this blank cells. Again, instead of filling these cells manually one by one, we will select the entire data and then press F5. Again, click on Special. Select the option Blank. And then click OK. Check the screen. Now press Ctrl-Enter. See the result. Now here is another Excel trick. Suppose we need to rearrange the data from columns to rows and from rows to columns. We will select the entire data and then copy. Select the option Paste Special and then select Transpose and then OK. Now see the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more such amazing Excel tips.